Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is what I got at Walmart. So firstly, excuse me, apologies for the lighting. It's really ultra bright, so I've had to put the blind down a bit because otherwise I look like Doris Day, you know, like a light bulb. So it's a bit weird, the lighting, so I do apologise. Hopefully it will be, we'll be able to work it out. So let me just get my glasses. I didn't want to knock any yarn off getting the glasses. So yeah, I managed to get to Walmart as well as Michael's, and this is what I got in Walmart. So start off, I managed to get myself some boy hooks. Now I normally have the ergonomics, but because these are big hooks, yeah, now because they're big, I don't need them to be ergonomic because they're fat enough. So this one has a J, a K and an N. So it says 575, 6.5 and a 10mm. So that's a bit odd sizes, but never mind. And this one's an 8 or an L. So I got these big boys to give a go, because all you guys you see when I talk about hooks, I love my boys, I love my boys. So I'm going to try. I'm going to try the boys. Yeah, it's so exciting. Okay, I know, I'm super excited, and it's quite sad, I know, but never mind. Okay, so first off, I got this yarn, Peaches and Cream Stripey. So while I was in the store, I wasn't sure if this is what one referred to as concrete and cream, or is it, I think it might have been the one on the big cone. Now I did nearly buy one of those on the big cone, but I didn't because it was just so big, and I figured I'd have trouble getting that home. Sorry, I've got a bit of a spotlight situation going on there. That might be better, it might not. I don't know. There we go. So yeah, this isn't so rough, but I got this because I wanted to make a bag, and I had a few ideas in my head. So this is a 4 weight, which is an Aran, and pretty dark. Oh, this is China, yarn from China. It is Spring Blue Stripes. We've got 2 ounce or 56.7 grams. It is 102 yards or 93 meters. It says 4-ply, so I guess that's what it is in Australia and places like that. But this is a worsted 4 weight Aran, and I got 1, 2, 3. These are so small I can get them in my hands. 4. So I've got 4 of those. I've got a little bag here with all of my Michael's yarn in. So to go along with that one, I bought white because I couldn't find any colours from it to pick out to edge or anything. So I've got white. So again, it's a 4 weight, and it is Peaches and Cream Original. Again, the worsted weight, and all the dimensions are exactly the same. And I've got 1, 2, I'm trying not to knock anything down, 3. Although these do seem bigger for some reason than those little tiny ones, but they seem to have the same amount on. So I've got 3 whites. And then I thought, well, I don't know, I quite fancy a colourful one. So I got these, and this again is the Peaches and Cream Original 4 weight, and the colour is Psychedelic. Got to have a bit of psychedelic going on, and all the dimensions and stuff are exactly the same. So there's 1, 2, 3 of those. This is the one I think I want to try and make a bag with first. I don't know. To go along with that, ooh, precariously balanced, I have some black. I figured I would edge that in black. It might make it pop if I did that a little bit more. So that's what I got. And I got 1, 2. They look bigger, don't they? They're different, but they're not. They're the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the black. So the thing is, the only shop that I managed to get anything of any quantity was Walmart. Okay, Then I got this one, and this is Hometown Lion Brand yarn. It is a 4 ounce, 113 grams, 64 yards, 59 meters in a 6. So a bulky 6. That is a super chunky to us in the UK, and it is 100% acrylic, and I love this. It's got a lovely sheen, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 because I thought, you know, super chunky, super bulky. I'll need more to sort of get anything, to make anything. So it's got a big thick strand, but I love this. It's so colourful. The colours are pretty nice, and it's got a lovely, I don't know if you can get it, see the sheen it's got to it. I really like this. It's really snazzy, super squish, super duper squish, and it says really helpful on the side. 2 for a hat, 4 for a scarf, 13 for a sweater. Of course that does depend on your size of sweater, but yeah, I've got enough there to make a scarf anyway. That's enough for that. So I couldn't get any more. They didn't have any more. They did have more of this, but it's so big I knew my case would be bulging. This is neon stripes, and well, I don't know, look at that. I had to get some. I've seen this around so many places, and I just wanted to give it a go. Now the illustration that they use, I don't know if they just must separate it, because that's not, doesn't sort of, the representation is not the same. This is a 4-weight worsted yarn, so an Aran. What have we got? You can machine wash it. 100% acrylic, 10 ounce, 283 grams. Your hook is a 5.5. 6 bolas to make that blanket. Well, I don't have 6 bolas, but I could put it with other stuff, I guess. 482 yards or 440 meters, and I have 2 of these. Look at that. Isn't it just so psychedelic? Really is, isn't it? I like that one. So I did get more. So get these off. I did actually pick up more in Walmart, but people kept saying, oh, you know, Walmart yarn isn't as soft. True, but you know, this is Red Heart, so it's as soft as Red Heart, you know. I did see some of Walmart's own. I was tempted with a few of them, but I, as I say, I kept looking at my pile of yarn in the trolley, thinking, in the cart. You have very rickety carts here. Ours, I always complain about ours going in one direction, but they glide compared to yours. They're really rigid, your carts. But we also bought Gary a hat. He wanted a hat, like a baseball cap. And we got something to wear on the plane on the way home, because he got a Reebok kind of over your head sweatshirt hoodie, and I got one that you zip up because it was freezing on the way here. Knowing our luck, we'll get a hot seat on the plane on the way back. Now we've got that, but I froze all the way here. I had 2 blankets on me and a jacket in the end, and I was still cold. So, you know, air conditioning on that plane was extremely mega. So that was my yarn anyway. That's what I bought, and the boy hooks, I'm looking forward to trying those. So now all I have to do is try and get it in the cases, bury it in there, so that and also I've got to make sure they don't weigh any more than 23, which isn't easy because I've probably got that much in yarn. But I do have 2 carry-ons which are going to get stuffed full of everything I can get in there. It's the only way I can try and do it, because they're not weighed. The carry-ons are not weighed, so anything with weight in it is going to go in the carry-on. Apart from maybe hooks, I won't be able to put them in there, I don't suppose. I don't know. Anyway, I'll have to try and figure it out. Gotta try and figure it out. So yeah, that's what I got, and yeah, I'm excited. I am. I still, Gary said, just want to go Hobby Lobby tomorrow? And I said, well, I have. And he went, you just leave more clothes behind. So, go back naked. That's the idea. Okay, so thank you for joining me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.